Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for this video. Today I am cash planning for the week. I have 403 that I plan on putting into my cash envelopes. I already figured out my wallet. My wallet usually gets the same amount every week. So my wallet will get 170 total in all these envelopes. So spending will get 30, eating out 30 as well, groceries 80, coffee 20, and then buffer 10. That's a total of 170 for my wallet. And then I already figured out a savings challenge. I've been doing this on my Patreon because on my Patreon I made this savings challenge right here. It's a roll the dice one where you can download it over there. I always put a download every month over there if you're interested in some budget downloads. I try to do a new thing every month over there. And then all these printables and different things that I use in my planner, I have them over there as well as downloads. So if you join the lowest tier, the $5 tier, you have access to all that. But yeah, I made this challenge. There's 3 different versions of it for the totals. So I'm doing this lower tiered one with the lower amounts. And I'm filming my rolls for my Patreon. So I already rolled. I got 14. I actually rolled the butterfly this time around. So that was exciting. So 14 is going into this challenge. That is the Hello Spring. All right, so I wanted to get those 2 things out of the way, and now I can go into my envelopes and just figure out what I'm gonna put into each one. Oh, let me work on priority ones first. So right now, priority envelopes for me are extra savings. I'm going to do 15 in extra savings. And then month ahead will get 15. And then I think treat yourself. Yeah, treat yourself. I'm gonna do 15 in here as well. Okay. All right, so I wanted to get those out of the way, make sure those get the amounts that I wanted them to get. And now just go down the line in my envelopes. So auto is gonna get 5 this week. Electronics is getting 5. Emergency. I want to put 10 in here. Furniture will get 5. I already did month ahead. Rainy day will get 5. Registration's fully funded. Road trip will get 5. Scentsy will get 5. Subscriptions will get 5. And travel will get 5. Oh no, I think I messed up. Hold on. 403 minus 170 minus 10 minus 10 minus 15. 5, 15, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 15, and 14. Okay, I guess I didn't mess up. All right, just wanted to double check. Next binder, we have Go Wild. That's gonna get 5. Disneyland. Okay, I'm going to Disneyland this weekend. I'm gonna put 10 in here. Tires will get 5. Fun will get 5. Hobbies, 5. Christmas. I kind of want to put 10. Okay, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. I'm gonna put 10 in Christmas. 5 in holiday decor. Make that money stretch through all these envelopes. I have a lot of envelopes. Okay, so beauty is getting 5. Clothing is getting 5. Costco is getting 5. Family, I'm gonna put 10 in family. I'm actually hanging out with family this weekend. Gifts is getting 5. Home, 5. Household, 5. Pantry, I actually just use pantry. I have 22. I usually like to keep 30 in here. So I'm gonna do 5 for now. Target is gonna get 5. Okay, it leaves me with 29, and I still have some savings challenges. I have the 100 envelope. My strategy with this one is always just to plan for 5 and then use leftover money in my wallet, so any of this money I haven't spent yet, and use it for this savings challenge. So I'm going to plan for 5. I always leave that one open, but then I always bump it up with the leftover money. So that's my strategy for that one. 100 envelope will get 5. All right, I have a cash dash. Oh, the cash dash. This one is a $10 challenge, so I'm going to do 10 in this one. All right, cash dash 2. I'm going to do $2 in this one. $2. Then I have the bear challenge here. This one, which I have 5. I'm gonna do 5, and maybe I can bump it up to with leftover money. Oh wait, 5. Okay, then the $5 challenge. I just barely have enough. Okay, $5 challenge for this. This is my $5 March challenge. So that's 5 there. Left with 2. That's gonna go into my dollar savings challenge. So that'll be $2 there. Okay, I hope I didn't really mess up on my totals. I'm gonna double check my totals, but hopefully this is all correct. And then, yeah, because I put as much as I could into each one with what I had. So hopefully I didn't mess up anywhere. We'll see. All right, my number looks good. So we're going to move on to the tally part. All right, so I'll do it like this. So, move this back. Auto is 5, so is electronics, then a 10, 15, 5, 15. Okay, I have a few 5s here. Then a 10, 5, 15, 5, 5, 10. Okay, I have some 5s here. Then a 10, more 5s. And then a 10, 2. Hello Spring is 14s. That's a 10 and 4 1s. And then the bear one is a 5. And then the $5 challenge is 1 5 and then 2. All right, I'm gonna count the tallies. So 50 I have 1, 20s 3, 10s 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 5s 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. And then 1s, I have 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 1s. All right, now I'm going to multiply these numbers. 50 times 1 is 50. And then we have 3 times 20 is 60. 10 times 14 is 140. 5 times 28 is 140. And 13. And then I'm just going to add these all together. And it should total out 60, 140, 140, and 13. 403. Perfect. All right, so let me write down my numbers. I like to write it on a sticky note, and then I can take this to the bank. All right, so 50 times 1 is 50. Then 20 times 3 is 60. 10 times 14, 140. 5 times 28, 140. And then 13 of those is $13, and that is a total of 403. All right, so that is it. Sorry if this seemed a little rushed. I'm actually kind of rushing through these. I'm going out of town for my birthday, so I'm trying to film my content before I leave, so they have videos for you to watch. Also, I need to get this done because I really need to get this done before I leave. But yeah, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.